So we're still in Clovis, California, and this is the pump that's existing. We took a video before we got started, and what we've added to this, and we'll check another video when we get done, we've added a new brass tee over here, a new little adapter made out of copper, a new shut-off valve, and then tied it all back in. But this is all existing, okay? So the union's existing, this swing check valve is existing, union's existing, and this valve's existing. You got a leak over here. And so I'm going to take this apart and try and solder that and get it fixed. That's not in our scope of work. You know, we were going to reinstall this for free as a point of courtesy, you know, because this is an existing customer. But we've got to pull this whole assembly out, shut the water down, drain the tank down, get this out of here, and then try and get this repaired right here. So I don't know why it's just starting to leak now, but anyways, it needs to be repaired. I can't leave it like that. So we'll take another video when we're done. So anyways, we took this out. I took a video and I showed you how it was leaking here, and it's hard to tell from the camera, but there was no solder in this joint. They soldered it, and just there's a little bead you can see around the copper. See, this is all copper pipe. This should be all silver, filled with solder all the way around. And you can see there's nothing in there. The only thing it was sealing it was just that little bead right here. That's where it bottoms out in the pump right there. And that's why we don't use solder sweat type pumps. We use threaded, so we can get piped up Teflon tape, screw it in, or a flange with 2 bolts, anything but these. And so this is the intake side right here. You can see the arrow pointing this way. This is the intake side. This is the outlet side. And you know, this gets expensive. I mean, it's time consuming is all. You know, it's pretty expensive to sit here and try and fix something that was not installed correctly. So I'd imagine this was installed, you know, when the home was built, or maybe later on, I don't know, but that's incorrect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and polish this up. You know, problem is you start heating up this body right here. I'm not going to disassemble this pump, but the more you heat it, the more likely it is that, you know, you damage, you know, something inside the pump. But so what we're going to do is we're going to take a little wire brush. We've got wire brushes that we use. You know, everybody should use these. A little wire brush, and we're going to take and, you know, wire brush out this here, and then we're going to sand this real good, and then try and solder it back on there, and hopefully, you know, reassemble it and leak, and hopefully it won't leak when we get done, and then we'll take another video.